All right, good day, scholars. This video is to help you set up your portfolio correctly so you have what you're supposed to have so you can get at least a decent grade here. So on Monday, right, this week, Monday, we took the Entrepreneurial Mindset Index survey. If you didn't do this, click the link, make sure you fill in everything correctly, make sure you send the email to me, and I will send you your scores, right? Your scores look like this, right? So you have your name, you have your year, and you've got your top three, your bottom three, and your decision-making scale stuff down here, okay? If we go to Tuesday, it tells you what you're supposed to have on your portfolio. Some of you guys are having trouble with this, so I'm making this video here. There's an example that will tell you what you're supposed to have. There's also the list of stuff that you're supposed to have. This video that I'm going to show you will show you what you have to do to get at least an advanced level, that is a B level for your portfolio, okay? So if we go to your portfolio, which is on your drive, right, it will end up looking, something like, let's do this one, right? Okay. It's on your Google Drive. Look up Startup Tech, look up Portfolio. You should be able to find it. We're going to put it into Unit 1, not Unit 1. We're going to put it in the main Startup Tech page, right? So on Unit 1, you should have your I Have a Dream app, your Soundboard app, your Painting app, okay? On the main page of Startup Tech is where we're putting this. Delete whatever's here already, all right? And if we look at what we need this stuff here. So I'm gonna look at my scores for my index, right? And here's my top three, here's my bottom three. If we look at the example, which I put a nice little link here for you, okay? We look at the example, it looks like this. All right, here's the finished product. Pre-EMI results, top three domains. You got your top three here. You should have your two sentences, bottom three, so on and so forth. How do we make this, right? And we also have the second part with semester one app development and coding concepts. To make yours look like this, right, you start with your blank right here, go to Startup Tech, click, delete whatever's here. Okay, just make sure you're on the right page. Just click right there, boom, 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 okay? First off, let's do the first part. 3 text boxes. I'm clicking 3 times the text boxes. We'll put in a triple, 2 more text boxes, put in another triple, okay? This is gonna be this stuff. So pre-EMI results, top 3 domains, and you're gonna put in 2 sentences, right? So I'm gonna type in here, pre-EMI results, make it look nice. My top 3 domains, make it look nice. And you're gonna put in your 2 sentences, explaining if you agree or disagree with the top 3 domains that test said you were good at. Okay, at least 2 sentences. So what were my top 3? Critical thinking and problem solving, opportunity recognition, future orientation. Let's put those in there. Critical thinking and problem solving. What was our other one? Opportunity recognition, future orientation. Opportunity recognition. Oh my gosh, I forgot it already. Future orientation. Find some pictures that make sense. Critical thinking. Select image. Let's look up a brain, right? Let's find a brain picture. Boom. Look at the human brain because you're thinking critically. Opportunity recognition, right? Seeing things as an opportunity rather than just a problem. So maybe I'll look up, an open door, right? If you just look up opportunity, let's go to Google search. You'd see that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Select image. Google image search. Opportunity recognition. You could put in, oh, look, a job. That's an opportunity. Let's do that. Insert. Future orientation. If I'm thinking about the future, right, I should be thinking about the time ahead of me and how I'm going to use the time ahead of me. So I'm going to look up a clock. The alarm clock. Boom. Okay? You don't need to write anything below because you're doing your writing above. So you're going to write 2 sentences, right? I agree with the results of the survey because I do think I'm good at critical thinking. I think I'm good at critical thinking because blah, 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 right? Or talk about their second one or your third one or multiple. I don't care. But you got to give me 2 sentences at least. If you want an A, give me 3, 4 sentences. Really reflect on whether or not you think this is true about you, right? Then the next part. My bottom 3 domains. Make it look nice. Okay, let's see what we got to put there. Here's the example. Oh, you got to write 4 sentences. Isn't that crazy? Let's copy and paste this. Let's skip that for now. Let's put in our stuff. Comfort with risk, creativity, and innovation. Comfort with risk, creativity, and innovation. And then my third bottom one is communication and collaboration. And then put some pictures in that make sense. Comfort with risk, right? Let's find a picture of somebody doing something risky. Risky. That dude he's jumping over a something, right? That's risky. Trying new things is being risky, right? Let's do this. Creativity and innovation. Maybe somebody, solving a problem. Let's just look up creativity, right? No, I did that again. Place image, select image. Let's just do creativity. Boom. Why not? Right? Coming up with new ideas is creativity. Communication and collaboration, right? Whatever yours is, find an image that makes sense. Right? Communication is people talking with each other. Look at that. They're talking with each other. They're exchanging ideas. These are my bottom 3 domains. I agree with this because, or I disagree with this because. Give me 2 sentences, right? So you could say, I disagree with communication being one of my bottom domains because, right? Why? Or maybe you do agree. Tell me why. Reflect a little bit. And then give me a couple sentences explaining how you could improve one of these, right? I think I could, capitalize your eyes, improve my comfort with risk by trying new things more often. I think I could improve my creativity by trying to solve problems in new ways, right? By thinking of how way to solve problems, right? By talking with people, okay? Come up with your own sentences that make sense. That's the first part, okay? The second part is the app development and coding concepts. So if we look at our example, we have a text box, 2 of these bad boys, a text box, and then a triple. Let's do that, right? So let's say you're top 3. Let's say you're finished with all this, right? We're going to put, oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Trash can. A couple text boxes, right? Oh, we need one. We need one text box. And then a couple of these, and then a triple. So if I look at the example, I can just copy and paste this if I really want to, right? Put it in here. Boom. Make it look nice. Semester 1, app development coding concepts. You're going to talk about user interface design and conditional statements. It tells you exactly what you're supposed to be putting in here, guys. It gives you the instructions. Boom. Right? I'm going to copy and paste it in there for myself so I know what to write. You can delete this after you write the stuff below. This is to give you ideas. So if I'm talking about user interface design, right, I'll put that there, maybe make it look a little bit smaller so I got more room. If I'm talking about conditional statements, right, I'm going to make it look nice, and I'm going to copy and paste what it tells me to. Okay? And don't just copy and paste it and leave it like this. You have to, it says in this section, explain what a conditional statement in programming is and put a screenshot of one, right? So go to your MIT and find a conditional statement. If you need help with this, let me know, right? But we've used multiple conditional statements. Put a picture of one, right? Take a screenshot, Windows Shift S, plop it in there, okay? Find a picture for user interface design. It's not difficult, guys. Google image search. User interface. What's that, Mr. Flanagan? You have Google, right? I'm going to look up a wireframe. A wireframe would be great for this. Right? Remember when we designed wireframes? Boom. Right? Conditional statement. Find a picture of a conditional statement. Then for these 3, okay? 3 MIT app implementer components I know how to use. Choose any 3. I'm going to copy and paste this because I didn't put a text box in here. Let's grab a text box, pull it down. Oh, put it where I wanted to put it, right there. Right, 3 MIT App Inventor components I know how to use. Go to MIT App Inventor, guys. Find 3 that you know how to use. Take some pictures. I'm gonna go straight to it and show you how to do it here. Let's go to MIT. Let's get a picture of a conditional statement and of a user interface. How about that? Right, so this is some user interface stuff. Let's say I want to talk about the canvas, right? Where's my canvas? Drawing an animation, right? What does the canvas do? Well, it tells you, by the way. Take a screenshot. Boop. Windows Shift S, I got my picture. Go back, click, Control V. Put it in here. Make it look nice. You're gonna have to mess around with it a little bit, right? There we go. What is this? Canvas. What does it let me do? The canvas allows users to blah, 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 blah. What does it let you? Right, figure it out. You should know by now. You can look right here. It tells you what to do. Don't just copy and paste this, right? Because this is technical speak. Use your own words, you know what I mean? Find 2 more, right? Talk about buttons, talk about the spinners, talk about the layouts. Whichever one you guys want to talk about, right? We use labels, we use buttons, we use checkboxes, we've used images, we've used spinners, right? We've used sliders, we've used all the layouts, we've used media, we've used players, right? We use the canvas. Figure out what you want to put in here, okay? So put in pictures. This is what I'm grading this weekend, okay? If you want a B, put in exactly what I asked for, right? If you want that advanced, put in exactly what I asked for. Write the sentences, capitalization, punctuation, all that fun stuff. If you want an A, you have to write a little bit more. Maybe make things look nicer, right? Put in, maybe emphasize these things to make them look like, an actual web page. If you want to get fancy like that, that's an easy A. If you make it look nicer, if you put care into it, perfect. Okay, guys? That's what you have to have. Everything here you need is here. The example is here for you. You've got this video. If you need help with anything else, let me know. All right? But that's what I'm expecting your portfolio to look like.